Welcome back, fellow traders, to another exciting episode of our trading journey. Today, we are about to unveil a groundbreaking trading tool that promises to revolutionize the way we predict market reversals. Are you tired of struggling to determine when the market tide will turn? Frustrated by false signals and unreliable indicators that leave you guessing? Well, prepare to be amazed as we take you on an extraordinary journey through the realm of precision forecasting. If you like our videos and the content we create so that you can become a profitable trader, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to our channel. Let's add our awesome indicator to the chart. We go to TradingView and look for RedK EverX Effort versus Results Explorer, created by RedK Trader. This indicator combines volume and price action to show you visually where the reversal zones are. Now we are going to modify the inputs of our indicator. The MA type we change from WMA to EMA. And everything else we leave as default. Now we are going to add two horizontal lines in our indicator to mark important levels. One line will be at level 50 and the other at level -50. Now we are in Euro-Dollar with a time frame of 15 minutes. So the first way to trade this indicator is to take short trades. We just wait for a cross above the 50 level line. We set our stop loss at the previous swing high. Let's see how the price develops. And as we can see, the price moved strongly in our favor. Now let's see an example to long trade. If you have come this far, do not hesitate to continue watching the video that I will show you how to increase the win rate of this indicator. Now we are in Tesla with a time frame of 5 minutes. And as we can see on the chart, we have a cross below the -50 level line. This indicates a reversal with a high probability of success. So we take a long trade. We set our stop loss at the nearest swing low. Let's see how the price moves. And as we can see, the price went up very strongly. Traders, if you're looking to automate this trading strategy into a bot that will be earning you passive income on a daily basis, Pionex is the solution for you. Pionex is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange offering not only 16 distinctive, built-in trading bots at absolutely no additional charge, but also introducing the first of its kind AI bot, Pionex GPT. This revolutionary AI bot creates automated trading strategies in PineScript, transforming your trading experience by generating personalized, high-performance trading strategies. With Pionex GPT, you can automate your trading strategy to its full potential, outperforming manual approaches and ensuring you are always one step ahead of the competition. Almost any trading strategy you find on our channel can be automated, including the one we are about to teach you. On Pionex GPT Marketplace, you can find dozens of free trading bots that generate high profits short and long term. You can make passive income just by copying these signals. How awesome is this? Join the Pionex family today and take advantage of a variety of exciting bonuses. Deposit 500 USDT or more to earn up to a 50 USDT reward. Start earning from the get-go and make your crypto trading journey even more profitable. Simply click the link in the description, sign up for Pionex, and thank me later. Now let's see the importance of volume to increase the win rate of our strategy. And the good thing is that we have included the volume in this same indicator. So how do we know we have enough volume to take a trade? To see this, let's modify our indicator again. We go to the Styles section, and we go down to where it says Price Band, and we see that it is written Body, and Color 0, and Color 1. We are going to set its opacity to 100%. We are now in Bitcoin with a 1-hour time frame. And as we can see now, we have a cross above the 50 level line. This means that we should take a short trade. Before explaining why we are not going to take this trade, the idea is to enter a short trade when volume is orange. And we should enter a long trade when volume is green. We continue with the explanation. But we see that there is little colored volume. This means that we do not have enough volume to take a short trade. And if we see the next candle, it is a green volume that is larger than the red volume. That indicates trend continuation and not a reversal, so we will ignore this trade. As we have seen, this would have been a losing trade because the market went up. Continuing with the same chart, we see that we have another cross above the 50 level line. But if we see the volume well, this time we do have adequate volume to take a short trade, as we have good orange volume and getting stronger. So we take a short trade, set our stop loss at the nearest swing high. Let's see how the chart develops. As we can see, the market moved quickly and strongly in our favor. Let's look at other examples. Now we will see an example of a long trade. We are in the SP 500 index with a time frame of 1 minute. And as we can see, there is a cross below the -50 level line. This indicates a possible bullish reversal, and we confirm the trade when we see that we have strong green volume. So we take a long trade, set our stop loss at the recent swing low, and see how the price moves. As we can see, the movement that we could have captured was immense. Let's look at another example. We are now on the Nasdaq 100 mini futures with a 1-minute time frame. And as we can see, there is a cross below the -50 level line. This indicates a possible bullish reversal. The interesting thing about this trade is that we are in support, because the price had a rejection in the same place. So we will confirm the trade when we see that we have strong green volume. So we take a long trade, set our stop loss at the recent swing low. And let's see how the price develops. As we can see, the movement was immense. And with that, we conclude this awe-inspiring journey through the realm of accurate reversals. The TradingView indicator has truly proven its worth, showcasing its ability to transform the way we trade. But before we part ways, let's reflect on the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. Join us in our next video as we delve deeper into the intricacies of this remarkable trading companion. Remember, the power to predict market reversals with unmatched precision is now at your fingertips. Get ready to elevate your trading game to new heights with the TradingView indicator. Until next time, happy trading!